So in order to make videos interesting and to keep people's attention, you have to put images on top to make it visually interesting. However, it's a very tedious process. I filmed my video, I edited it, I made an edit, and then I had an LLM transcribe it and give me ideas for highlights or images that I could make. From there, I had it make an actual Photoshop document so that way I could style it the way that I wanted to, and then I exported the images in the proper size so that way it just makes my workflow as a designer a little bit easier and I know exactly what I'm doing. So I made some images for the library metaphor that I'm talking about, and I'm going to show you a cool plugin that I made in Adobe Premiere that will read the transcript and put them on a track more or less where they need to go. I'm going to tell the LLM that they're ready, and I have my plugin here. I was trying to do it automatically, but once it got too complicated, it was doing the images too long, so this is the best workflow because it can put it where it needs to go and then I can fine tune it really easily. So it uses the VOSC library that I used earlier to make my own video editor, and it identified where each word is. Ribbit wants to say hi. Oh, I know. It's almost breakfast time, 20 more minutes. All right, so it's ready to go. So I'm going to go to Premiere. I'll reload the extension. And then it put it in V5 because that's the one that I wanted, so I can pull it down and make edits. And if I need to re-import for any reason, it will go ahead and work. Okay, all right. So let's play it and see how accurate it is. One more metaphor. All of the knowledge in the world is in a library, let's say. In order to find that information, you need to use the card catalog, which is usually online these days or on a web interface. There are some tips and tricks to use the, oh, this is yours. There are some tips and tricks to use the card catalog, and the librarian can teach you. I consider myself a librarian, and I'm going to teach you how to use the LLM or the card catalog to find the information that you need. So pretty good. I'll make some adjustments, but but for the earlier scenes, it really was pretty good. So yay. Let me know if you would use this in your day-to-day workflow.